Ever wanted to sound like a booming robot or a squeaky mouse in your Roblox adventures? Let's dive into how you can change your voice and amp up the fun. First things first, we need to access your Roblox settings. Look for the gear icon, usually found in the top right corner of your screen, and click on it. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the voice chat option. This is where all the magic happens. Make sure enable voice chat is toggled on. If it's not, you won't be able to use any voice features. Directly below that, you'll see a voice modifier drop-down. Clicking this drop-down will reveal a list of preset voice effects you can choose from. Browse through the options like robot, chipmunk, monster, or echo. Select the voice that best suits your current roleplay or mood. Once you've picked your desired voice, simply close the settings window. Now, when you speak in games that support voice chat, your voice will automatically come out with the chosen modification. Experiment with different voices to really bring your characters to life and surprise your friends. It's a fantastic way to add a unique and hilarious twist to your Roblox experience. So go ahead, give it a try and start broadcasting your new vocal talents across the metaverse.